name is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. A girl really does appreciate it, and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We would be more than happy to have you, and there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, we will be opening up the newest Tribe Beauty box, okay? And for those of you who are not familiar, I will leave all the information down below, so that if you would like to try it out for yourself, there's a code down here to help you save some money on your first box, okay? So let's just go ahead and open it up and check out what's inside. Okay, now when we open it, the very first thing we have is our description card, and it says April, Cotton Candy Kisses. Okay, and in addition to all the items that are inside, on the back it says thank you for your order. We hope that you enjoy your Tribe Beauty box of the month. Share the love, refer a friend, and both of you will receive some money off. Okay, well, there's already a coupon code down below just for that reason. Okay, so the very first item that we have is by Masquerade, and this is the Matcha Detoxifying Clay Mask. All right, and it says, this mask is the perfect way to cleanse and detoxify your pores. Want an intense clean feeling? Use the mask 2 to 3 times a week. Works to rid the skin surface of unwanted buildups and impurities. Assists in prevention of acne. Okay, now this one says it's enough inside for 3 uses. So that means if you're going to follow those directions, you have a full week's worth right here. And when we open up the envelope, I do like that. And I'm loving the fact that this is recyclable. So we're helping to save our planet. And this is the way that each of the uses come. All right. And the directions say, cleanse your skin and dry thoroughly. Apply an even layer to skin, avoiding the eye area. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. Dampen skin and massage for an extra cleansing boost. Rinse off completely and pat dry. Okay, so it says it is enough for each packet to be 1 complete use. Okay, so that is item number 1. Did I let you know that the Matcha Detoxifying Clay Mask is $6.50? Okay, so now moving right along, the next item that we have is by the company Spongel. Let me tell you something, my box is a little beat up, but as long as my product is okay, I'm all right with that. So the description card says, Bulgarian Rose Body Wash Infused Buffer. Exfoliate and cleanse all at the same time. This hypoallergenic sponge has a time-released creamy lather made with extracts of yuzu, edelweiss, and vetiver. It moisturizes, rejuvenates, and restores your skin, leaving it as soft as silk. And the manufacturer suggested retail price for each one is $16. Okay, now as I take it out of the box, it does say that this is a dermatologist tested, cleanses, exfoliates, hydrates, and massages. Let me tell you something, this thing smells so good. Oh. I love, love, love these. I have several of them. Okay, so that is item number 2. The next one, okay, this is wrapped really well here in some bubble wrap to make sure our products arrive in one piece. So the next one is the Laurel supersized baked gelato Illuminator. I'm telling you, she wrapped these things very well. Okay, wow, this is a huge one. I see why they say it's supersized. Okay, and this one right here is the supersized baked gelato Illuminator, and the shade that I have is Gilded Honey. Okay, and this one we were able to choose which shade we wanted. The other one could have been Diamond Dust. Now, the description says, this best-selling Illuminator is yours in a super size that will last you a lifetime. This limited edition supersized version applies like a sheer powder but feels like a cream, creating a translucent wash of luminous color for a youthful, lit from within look. And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $55. Now, I do not have, believe it or not, I have a lot of items from Laurel, but this is the first highlighter, I believe, that I have received. Boy, that is really pretty. So let's see, let's pull a highlighter brush. And we're just going to do it dry. Okay. I do like it like this, but I'm going to grab my Laurel setting spray, and I want to see what it looks like if I wet my skin, okay? That is absolutely beautiful. And I like it because it's subtle. It's not like in your face. Oh, that was a bad play on words. That was a bad play on words. I'm sorry. Not bad for the first time that I've used that particular brand of highlighter. Then the next item that we have is by Steve Laurent, and this is the limited edition Tweezer Duo. Our description card says, say goodbye to pesky stray hairs, perfectly calibrated tension for more control, and a stress-free tweezing ritual. This duo includes 2 stainless steel tweezer designs, one with a slant tip and one with a pointed tip. The manufacturer suggested retail price for this item is $24. Now, let's go ahead and take a look. This is what it looks like in the packaging, and these are the tips. Well, they have a grip on them in addition to the Steve Laurent name. And it does come with the closers. So that way you can always put them back in the package, or even if you have them in your makeup bag, you don't have to worry about them being open and stabbing you, okay? So, I've never really seen where it said directions for use, but it actually has that, and it says, for the best results, apply a warm, damp washcloth to the area to open the pores. Grab a single strand of hair as close to the root as possible and pull out in the same direction in which the hair grows. Okay, tweezers come with directions, all right, and that's the next item. Then we have Suva Beauty, and this one is the Eliseum liquid lipstick. All right. Suva Beauty's glossy lamination liquid lipstick is formulated to deliver a punch of opaque color and comfortable flexibility. Manufacturer suggested retail price is $18. Oh, wow. Okay, this one is a red, but let's see. Okay, now see, these are the kind of reds that I like. You can tell that this one does have that blue tint to it. It's either a blue or a purple tint. I like. All right, I'm looking forward to working with this one on our Create. It's beautiful. It almost has a pink kind of hue. So we'll see, we'll see. Alrighty, and the last item that we have, I just love that everything was wrapped so well this month. Okay, this is the Laurel Cosmetics Sweetheart Palette, and it says you have the perfect balance of mattes and shimmers that can create from the most subtle of looks to the sultriest, with blushing and bright pinks to soft champagnes and peaches to deep and bold shades. You'll have everyone swooning over your eyeshadow glam, and the manufacturer suggested retail price is $20. Give me a second so I can open this palette. I'm loving that it is truly, truly secured. It's safety sealed in plastic. But I don't think I've ever used a Sweetheart palette before. I don't think I've even heard of this one. So the inner and outer packaging are identical. Oh, yes. Oh no, it's broken. It's broke. Oh man. You can see it on the top. It is, I cannot really turn it over and show it to you because I don't want it to fall out. But the color story is beautiful, minus this one. It's actually a 16 shade palette, and it's beautiful. Oh, I'm so disappointed. I'll contact them and then I'll get back with you. Okay, so I have to admit, I love this. I love this palette, even though I cannot use it as of yet, but I definitely love this palette. So nonetheless, these are the items that are included in this month's. Actually, it is in every other month box, so these are the items that were included in the April-May Beauty box. Down below, you'll see the manufacturer suggested retail price of all the items that are enclosed, okay? Now, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today. And remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.